Another gray type of morning, and that's because that marine layer is once again with us. So you can't see it here in our next weather sky cam, but once the sun comes up, you'll notice the gray conditions. So we have the taste of May gray again here in April. Here's a quick look at our beach forecast. If you plan on heading to the coast, just know that it's going to be cool. It's going to be cloudy. So grab your hoodie, grab your light jacket, or just some sort of light layer because temperatures will pretty much stay in the mid to upper 50s for the next few hours here. All right, live radar shows that we do have a lot of the low clouds and fog. A lot of it has banked up against the foothills again, and some of it also really thickening up, especially as you head toward the Inland Empire. So this morning, this is what we're watching. We're looking at the patchy fog, and we can't rule out the possibility of some drizzle being squeezed out of that deep marine layer. In fact, this morning's marine layer is about 3,500 feet, and then as the morning goes on, it could get as thick as 4,000 feet. So that kind of tells you how long it's going to clear today. So it's going to take one of those slow burn off type of days, and unfortunately, the beaches may struggle to clear, and you may just be under some gray skies pretty much all day. There is a chance, though, as we head into this upcoming weekend on Saturday, because of that deep marine layer each night and morning, we have a system passing to the north of us. It could provide us with a slight chance of showers and drizzle on Saturday morning, but it's not going to be a huge rainmaker. It's not going to be widespread either. It's going to be hit or miss, so we could be about 1/10 of an inch or less of rain. So that's something that we'll continue to watch. Take a look at our conditions right now. Because of all the cloud cover this morning, we have temperatures mainly in the mid to low 50s from Santa Clarita all the way to Corona, and then we're also looking at some high 50s right along the coast for LAX and also for Laguna Beach. Hour by hour forecast shows that the clouds will stick around up until about 11 a.m. And then once we get into the second half of the day, this is where the clouds gradually start to clear. We will see more sunshine, and then temperatures are also going to sit just slightly below average, mid to upper 60s today. Irvine, you're also going to be under some really gray conditions as well for the first part of the day, and then the second half is where the sunshine really starts to peek through. Our futurecast shows that we are looking at a system dropping in by the end of the week. This is what's going to provide more rain, more mountain snow to the northern part of the state, and we'll probably get just the tail end of it, and it doesn't look like it's going to hold together completely, so that's why we're looking at the possibility of just some light scattered showers and also some drizzle for the first part of Saturday. And then the system is out of here, and we are warming up once we head toward the end of the weekend, and by next week, we're looking at those temperatures heading back up into the 70s. But for now, we're looking at those temperatures staying in the 60s at least through Sunday. Valleys are going to be in the low 70s today and tomorrow. By the end of the week, Friday and Saturday probably the coolest of the next 7, and then we can see temperatures slowly start to warm up back into the 80s by next Tuesday for the valleys. All right, Kalina?